yeah. First ever engine removal by Jim Eaton.
How many hours did it take?
2 full days last weekend, and then all day today. We started at 8 a.m. and it's what, 2? So there you go. Look at that beauty. Let's hope it goes.
This
lift goes high enough to get over the edge.
Oh yeah, I think it's good.
Gosh, I can't believe I did it. We did it. Look at that.
That's the heart of the car.
Oh my gosh. We're going to pull it out real carefully. Let it fall over. And then we're going to lower it down real quickly. Awesome.
Man,
All right.
that is so satisfying.
Lower this sucker down. Nice and easy.
It's swinging towards the car.